All right, so now we're gonna go into seats. Right over here, you have your options for the warmer on the seat. So you're able to control the seat warmers on the second and third row. And you also have the ventilation. So you can control the ventilated seats on the second row only. Right over here on the bottom, basically if you want to adjust the seat forward or back, you can do it right over here. If you want to recline the third row, you can adjust it, or relax mode. You can also have the walk-in mode right over here, so it's going to move it forward or fold it. This one over here is basically if you want the seats to fold. It's going to be the third and the second row as well. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.